Gemini plus NotebookLM is insane. You are wasting hours on presentations, building slides from scratch, researching everything manually, switching between 10 different tools, while people who know this combo finish in 5 minutes. Let me show you what you are missing. Hey, I'm Hada, and I need to tell you about something that changed how I work with AI. Most people use ChatGPT for everything, but there is this combination that is absolutely destroying it for presentations and research. And almost nobody is talking about it. Google just connected Gemini with NotebookLM, and it is not just another update. This is the kind of thing that makes you rethink your entire workflow. I am going to show you exactly how this works, step by step, no fluff, just what you need to know to start using it today. So what even is this combo? Let me break it down super simple. Gemini is Google's AI. Think of it like ChatGPT, but built by Google. It can generate content, answer questions, help you brainstorm, all the stuff you expect from AI. NotebookLM is different. It is a research tool. You feed it documents, PDFs, articles, YouTube links, whatever you have, and it actually reads all of it. Then it helps you understand what is in there. No internet searching. Just your stuff. This keeps everything accurate and grounded in your sources. Here's the thing. Before this integration, you had to pick one. Gemini was great for creating stuff, but it could hallucinate, make things up. NotebookLM was super accurate but limited to what you uploaded. Now they work together, and that changes everything. The integration dropped in December. People started noticing it. You go into Gemini, click the plus button to attach something, and boom, there is a NotebookLM option. You can pull entire notebooks into your Gemini chat. All your sources, all your research, just sitting there ready to use. But wait, it gets better. NotebookLM just got upgraded to Gemini 3. That is Google's most intelligent model. Better reasoning, better understanding of images and text together. The whole thing got smarter. And they added a feature called Slide Deck, powered by something called Nano Banana Pro. Yeah, that is the actual name. Let me walk you through how to actually use this. First step, research with Gemini. Open up Gemini. Start asking questions about your topic. Let's say you need a presentation on AI skills for 2025. Ask Gemini to give you the key trends, the important skills, what companies are looking for. It will pull from the web, give you current information, write it all down or copy it. If you are just getting started with this workflow and want to learn from people who are already using it, there is a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. People share which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. You can also use Gemini's deep research feature if you have access. This thing is wild. It creates full research reports with verified sources, much better than just one quick answer. And if you are researching something that changes fast, this keeps you current. Now here is where NotebookLM comes in. Step 2, organizing in NotebookLM. Go to notebooklm.google.com, create a new notebook. This is your research hub. Everything goes here. Upload your PDFs, paste links to articles, drop in your notes from Gemini. YouTube videos work too, even handwritten notes if you take a photo. The free plan lets you add 50 sources per notebook. 50. That is more than enough for most projects. If you are on a pro plan, you get 300. But honestly, 50 is plenty to start. Here is what makes NotebookLM special. It only uses what you give it. No random internet stuff. This means when it answers a question or creates something, you know exactly where it came from. Your sources. This is huge for accuracy. No more wondering if the AI just made something up. Once you have your sources uploaded, NotebookLM creates a briefing document automatically. This summarizes everything, shows you the main themes, links back to sources. You can chat with it too. Ask questions about your research, get specific answers, all grounded in your materials. Step 3, this is where it gets insane. Building slide structures. In NotebookLM, look for the studio panel on the right. You will see Slide Deck. Click it. Before you generate anything, click the little pencil icon. This lets you customize. You get 2 format options. Detailed Deck has full text and explanations. Good for sending to people who will read it on their own. Presenter slides are cleaner, just talking points and visuals. Better if you are actually presenting. Pick what fits your use case. You can also choose the length: short, default, long. And here is the cool part. There is a prompt box. You can tell it exactly what you want. Like, make this for beginners. Use a bold style. Focus on step-by-step instructions. The more specific you are, the better the output. Hit generate. NotebookLM goes to work. It pulls from your sources, builds a logical flow, creates slides with actual design, images, charts, clean layouts, not just text on a white background, real presentation quality. This uses that Nano Banana Pro model I mentioned. It handles the visual stuff. The generation takes a few minutes. You can keep working while it happens. When it is done, you can view it right in NotebookLM, download it as a PDF, or start a slideshow right there. Full screen, arrow keys to navigate. Just like PowerPoint, but you did not touch PowerPoint. Here is what people do not realize. Those slides are not editable. They are basically images in a PDF, so you cannot go in and change a word or move a box. If you need to edit, you adjust your sources or your prompt and regenerate. Takes 2 minutes, way faster than building from scratch. If you absolutely need editable slides, take the PDF as a template in Canva, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. Copy the structure and design ideas. Rebuild it editable. Still saves hours of thinking about layout. Here is another use case: data visualization. NotebookLM can generate infographics too. Same studio panel. Pick infographic. Horizontal format for LinkedIn, vertical for Instagram. It pulls key stats from your sources, organizes them visually. There is also data tables. Upload messy information, meeting notes, research papers, web pages. NotebookLM organizes it into a table. Export to Google Sheets, great for competitor research or organizing complex data. Audio overviews turn your sources into a podcast. 2 AI voices discussing the material. Sounds incredibly human. Useful when you have a huge PDF, but no time to read. Listen while working out or driving. Get the main ideas fast. Now the Gemini integration. Build a notebook in NotebookLM. Go to Gemini. Click the plus button. Select NotebookLM. Pick your notebook. Gemini now has access to everything. Ask Gemini to combine your notebook with web information. Like, tell me how my research matches current job postings. It uses your grounded research, then searches current listings. Or pull multiple notebooks into one chat. When you need to connect ideas across projects, this is huge. Gemini can synthesize everything. Let me address common questions. Can I use this for academic work? Yes. Upload research papers, course materials, create study guides, flashcards, quizzes, perfect for exam prep. Can I use this for business? Absolutely. Presentations, project docs, reports, data analysis, marketing content. Integrates with Google Drive and Gmail. If you are looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working, what is not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Start testing Gemini and NotebookLM together. I am Hada. Thanks for watching. Links to everything are in the description. Go try this workflow today.